This the Filipino. Tapos parang nahihiya sila na ganito tayo. Guys, if you watch this, then I hope you come to realize kung sino tayo, who we are as a race. Ano yung, pag sinasabi natin kasi yung puso, we only say that about Gilas. Hindi natin sinasabi in sports. Kasi puro tapang. Yes, matapang ang Pilipino, pero puso, there's a lot more involved sa puso. Puso is also about love. How we love our family, how we love our fellow man. In fact, how we even love yung mga hindi Pilipino. Because part of love is also forgiveness. That's what sets Filipinos apart. We're able to forgive. No hate in the show. Walang hatred for the Japanese. It's still love. Napapatawa natin sila. Because that's who we are. Also the love also is about generosity. Or generosity as kung ang craft, kung ang binigay sa yung talento ay mag-perform sa vaudeville at kung wala kang pagkakataon na maging guerrilla, kaya mo pa rin ba magbigay? And that's yung ginagawa nila noong panahon ng gera. Magpe-perform sila to uplift spirits. Magpe-perform sila sa vaudeville to send out a message na parang of kind of rebellion, na ilinaw sa kanila na okay na ganito, hindi tayo dapat nagpapaape sa mga Hapon ng panahon na yun. So kahit ano yung meron yung Pilipino, ibibigay na, kasi di ba yung sasabi sa mga foreigners, oy, kain ka, kung ano man yung meron tayo, inaabot natin bilang pagkain. Noon, kung ako artist, ito ang ibibigay ko. This is what I have This is what I know. This is my craft. The same way nowadays, ito yung ginagawa namin. As in television, sorry, baka hindi nyo kami padadala dun sa sa West Philippine Sea. Pero we'll do what we can using the show kasi that is what we know. So, sa ganitong paraan lang, baka makatulong kami.
Thank you. Direct one na lang, pwede siya kayo na reaction regarding sa kay Bea Alonzo, which is naka-work niyo po kasi siya sa startup, diba? Okay. Parang, ano yung pagkakakilala niyo po sa kanya with all her support and her love life?
Sige.
Her love life?
Yes.
How was she?
Sige. Si Bea, she's a professional. She will arrive pag kung anong call time yun, 8 o'clock. She's there 8 or baka 10 to 8, baka mas maaga-aga pa. She arrives on set prepared. She knows her script. She knows the story. Super professional. So I like that about her. Having said that, kung ganun siya mag-commit sa isang bagay, sa craft niya, which she obviously loves, I'm sure she's also like that. When yung love na pinag-uusapan is not about the craft, but a person. So I'm sure kung nagmahal yun, wagas rin yung pagmamahal niya. Baka gusto nyo rin tanongin yung kapangalan ko para malaman.
How was it naman po with Aldo? Parang naisip ako sa mga target ko.
Kung nagka-rift man sila ni Bea, hindi ko nabalitaan. But I doubt, kasi when I see them on set, parang okay naman sila. I don't know, maybe some people were trying to put a spin on it. Ewan ko pang promo because I'm not privy to those things. I know what happens. I know what happened rin before when I was still working with Viva, ng mga TGIS days. So yun, on set, okay naman kami lahat sa startup.